Okay, we've finished our Frankenstein. The clothes are handmade. So he is done. Cut it out in the back so you don't have to go up underneath. The eyes are acrylic. It has a ring lever. Oh, he is done. It's got fun fur for the hair. We have a hook here, and then there's a hook in the base of the body. You put a rubber band on it, so that helps hold the head into place for you. You can adjust this however you want it. But the eyes are acrylic. So he is finished. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I would appreciate that. Thank you.